I could hear my father's voice. He would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time. Time to laugh and time to heal.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today I just want to give you guys some decorating ideas for the springtime, how to decorate your console table and also your fireplace, giving you guys some ideas, some tips and tricks on how I decorated this console table, and I'm just giving you 3 different ways that I did it. I want you guys to choose your favorite down below and see if you can replicate it in your own space. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon.
Song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. Ooh,
So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Definitely let me know which style is your favorite. My favorite is console table design number 3 and fireplace design number 3. I just love the fullness of everything. You guys know I am a maximalist and I just love how everything is full, and it kind of just reminds me of like a Parisian English garden or something, you know, like that. But I just love the way that it looks. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. I will see you next time. Bye.